Warm greetings to the audience as we explore the crucial topic of cleaning and maintaining kitchen tools and premises, vital for our cookery class. Regular maintenance is essential for safety and food quality. As we move forward, reflect on how these points relate to your kitchen routines. Let's work together to uphold these standards. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to 1. Recognize kitchen tools and equipment to be cleaned and sanitized. 2. Identify the chemicals to be utilized in cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. 3. Prepare cleaning agents in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction, procedure. 4. Clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipment. And 5. Store cleaned kitchen tools and equipment. Steps in washing dishes. 1. Wear rubber gloves if you have dry hands or other skin problem. If you are wearing long sleeves, roll them up or put them under the gloves. Wear aprons too. 2. Scrape all the large pieces of food on the dishes and place it in a compost bin or garbage can. 3. Stack the dishes in the proper order, namely, glassware, silverware, chinaware, and utensils. Stack them to the right of the sink so that work progresses from right to left. 4. Fill the sink with water and add a considerable amount of detergent. The hotter the water, the better its sanitizing and grease-cutting properties, but use tolerable heat, 66 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Fahrenheit or above, so not to scald yourself. Use rubber gloves. 5. Wash the lightest soiled items first. Start with glasses, cups, and flatware. Soap each piece individually and rinse in hot water. 6. Wash plates, bowls, and serving dishes. Remember to scrape these items before washing. Soap each piece gently and individually and rinse in hot water. Remember to keep an eye when you should change the dishwashing water. 7. Wash pots and pans last. Soak them first. Wash the pans thoroughly and don't forget to clean the bottoms. If anything was burnt or overcooked to pots or casserole dishes, put a little extra soap and water in it and let it stand while you wash the other dishes. 8. Lay your dishes out on a rack to air dry or wipe them clean with a towel. 9. There should be no visible matter and no greasy feel. Run a hand over the dish to ensure that they are thoroughly cleaned. If there are still some grease remaining, consider rewashing the item. 10. Rinse out brush, sponge and allow to dry. Sterilize your equipment, often using boiling water with bleach. When a sponge or brush starts to smell unpleasant, throw it away. 11. Wipe down the sink in your tools. Wipe down the sink, dish drainer, and dishpan. Any rags, dishcloths or sponges need to be left out to air dry, or thrown into the washing machine. Remember to replace sponge and rags frequently. Tips and warnings to observe in washing the dishes. Wash glassware first before greasy pots and pans. Rubber gloves will protect hands in manicures, and allow you to use hotter water for washing and or rinsing. Dishes may be hand-dried with a clean cloth. Try adding a tablespoon of baking soda to soapy water to soften hands while cutting grease. Never dump sharp knives into soapy dishwater where they cannot be seen. Never dump sharp knives into soapy dishwater where they cannot be seen. Laundry detergents or automatic dishwater detergents should not be used for hand washing dishes. Keep dishwashing liquid out of the reach of children. Additional tips. Dishes can be washed easily if you keep them under the water while scrubbing them for particles to lift away. Bring the dish out of the water to check for any missed spots. Stacking a few dishes in the sink at a time allows dishes a few minutes of soaking time while you wash another dish. Try drying pots and pans with a paper towel to reduce residue from the pan which causes staining the dishcloth. Don't soak aluminum while dishwashing, for it may cause darkening.